upon multiple buildings at once, knocking down an Expo, finishing off the remaining builder huts. The 3-star could not have come at a more clutch moment here. IzK is the man of the hour. Judo, there are 3 things that all wise men fear.
Now we have IzK with the Zap Lava Loon for HT Family. He needs a 3-star. You can see from the scoreboard how close it is. And if you're just tuning in, HT Family are 1 percentage point behind. So this is everything, Woody.
Yeah, even a 3-star, not enough to guarantee victory for HT Family. But as well as you can do for this last strike, you want to get it up on the board. If they both 3-star, GKKOG will get the victory, but HT Family know that their defenses have stopped KOG before and might be able to do so again. If that does wind up being the case, every single percentage here in a 2-star versus 2-star would come down to being crucial, you know, with a 1% deficit. HT Family knows that they're slightly behind, but that 1% really does mean everything, Judo.
It certainly does. Now, IzK will be pretty happy with this because he's already taken out the Tesla farm and the tornado trap. Seems like the town hall was baited for a battle blimp. He did miss the wizard tower at the north of the base with the barbarian king, but he should be able to counteract that relatively easy, and that's why he's actually starting with the balloons to test the pathing of the stone slammer, make sure it does move on towards that wizard tower. And the lava loon from the right hand side, notice the quick deployment all of the way around to 4 o'clock. That is to try and push a big pack of the balloons into the center, and I thought he would be saving the warden ability for the central area of the base, but it looks like he's just going to brute force through it with the stone slammer because all of the red air bombs pop and take down the balloons alongside the stone slammer. But obviously, being the siege machine and the giant balloon, it survives and keeps things going here, Woody.
We also see an Expo up top getting repaired now. IzK kind of missing another opportunity there to strike. It is a ground targeting Expo though, so it's not necessarily the most important thing here, but keep an eye on the main phase of the attack, protected by this Grand Warden. That Eternal Tome used up early on, as you mentioned there, but they are just taking a beating from Wizard Towers. Builder Huts still standing up. A couple of point defenses out on the left edge, surviving still. 2 Teslas and an Archer Tower. This is really getting close. Maybe the closest attack we've seen so far this war, Judo.
It's so close to call, Woody. The Wizard Tower, fortunately, was attacking the dragon, but the Battle Builder Hut takes down those final couple of balloons, and that could have been crucial. There's an Archer Tower and 2 Tesla. The Grand Warden could probably get through this. Look at the Owl chaining through to the Archer Tower, but there's only 15 seconds. 1 little lava pump remains. 2 minions move across. Grand Warden takes down the first Tesla and the second. 5 seconds. Is it going to be enough, Woody? 3, 2, 1, and the buzzer! 3 stars for HT Family. Oh my